Hey Jaime, also on this 3.6 liter Chrysler again, I was noticing this is the other cam that's tore up too.
It's got a bad spot right there.
I see it, yeah, and look what it did to the rocker arm. And so and when this one over here goes bad, I can see where it actually chewed up, it grounded up. Is that the tapping that you're hearing?
Yeah.
Is that hitting?
It has excessive noise and.
Yeah, because the bearings are shot. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see the bearing is shot in there. That's not supposed to move like that, is it?
No, it's supposed to turn, not go up and down.
Yeah, I see the difference there. And so that's the tick, 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 tick sound you hear as it goes around and strikes the cam and chews the camshaft off also. So we don't have to do a whole motor, but we got to do a couple camshafts and a whole lot of rockers and lifters. And, do the lifters because they're out, and do the rockers because if these have failed, then all these other ones are right behind it. So it doesn't make sense to not do it all the way. All right, thanks for watching.